Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Today we will take a look at the Japanese yen, because currently we can't add something really new on the euro currency since market was forming recently inside sessions, so mostly it's coiling around 114 area. At the same time, some other currencies return back to motion. So for example, Japanese yen that we will take a look today. Also, it's an interesting setup could appear on the Canadian dollar, since as you can see on the crude oil, it has turned to the downward action, and that's why this could become the reason that we could get some directional patterns. I mean the Napoli directional patterns on the Canadian dollar. So, but today we will take a look at the Japanese yen. So we will discuss a bit broader picture, because mostly situation that we have right now on the Japanese yen has the relation to the weekly chart. Those of you who are monitoring our weekly research probably should remember what we have discussed on the Japanese yen and where we have stopped our discussion. That was approximately in the mid-March, because market has reached this support area, and we said, well, market probably will take some pause in a downward action, because this was, in general, we have, guys, the head and shoulders pattern. That also was the double repo sell pattern on the monthly chart, but it's already has hit the target, because the target of this pattern on the double repo was the 50% support. This is the 618. It was slightly high, and we said yes, minimum target of the double repo has been met. At the same time, we're dealing with the head and shoulders, and as it has reached the 100% target, AB equals CD target, right at the weekly average sold, and that was also very close to the fib levels, 110.60 area. This was really strong support, and we said, well, probably market could show some retracement, or it will take some relief here before it will continue to the next target. The next target is 1618 extensions, approximately 108.40, is the ultimate target of the head and shoulders pattern. It approximately equals the height of the head to the neckline. It's classical estimation of the target of the head and shoulders that you should count from the breakout. So it's considered slightly lower, but very often they shows the same level. Anyway, the next destination point will be approximately 108.40. And what we see right now, first of all, take a look at market. Although it has shown the bounce up, but this bounce was really small, and market here looks really heavy, because we haven't seen even retesting of the neckline. This market could, for example, retest the neckline and turn down again right from this area. But as you can see, market looks really heavy, so it has jumped out from the average sold, but then mostly stand flat, returned it back down to the fib support, finally has touched it. Recall our butterfly that we have discussed on the Japanese yen. And shows minor bounce, and now is continuing to move lower. So right now it stands on the breaking this support area, because it's testing for the second time. But right now market is not at the oversold, so oversold will be precisely our targets, approximately 108.40. So that will be the next destination. Last week, guys, when we talked on the daily chart, we said we see the signs of the bearish dynamic pressure on the Japanese yen, because here market was forming the lower tops. That was particularly the standing around. That's our butterfly that we have discussed. This was left wing, and the butterfly, that's right wing. So last week we said that market forms something like bearish dynamic pressure, because take a look, market is forming lower tops, while trend mostly was bullish here. Right now trend turns to the bearish side, market stands in a downward action. Here we have minor ABCD extension, shows ABC top. Take a look how CD leg is steep compared to AB. Here we see the fast acceleration. That's, by the way, was the reason why we thought and think that market should reach 1618 and that it should not stop here, because this was really miserable plunge here right to this area. Probably only oversold area was able to support market and prevent further drop immediately. So market was have to stop at this area, because this was really strong support. If we wouldn't have it, or at least if we wouldn't have the oversold, probably market could move down faster and spend a few times smaller time on this reaching with this target. Anyway, that will be next destination. This is potentially 200 pips, so not really small distance. At the same time, on the daily chart, guys, we also have, take a look, this ABCD pattern. It's also 1618 extension. So 1618 stands approximately at 109 even. This will be intermediate target between the final destination point and current market. Also, that probably will be the daily oversold as soon as market will reach it. The target of the dynamic pressure already has been met, since market has dropped below the lows, and this usually treats as the minimum target of the bearish dynamic pressure. At the same time, we think that since this very important target on the weekly chart, and market already has passed below the 100% target, so if you will add 100% extension here, you see that market has met it, even has moved below it, and right now it stands between them and starting to move down. So that's why in fact it has no choice just to reach this destination point, because all other targets already has been reached and broken. So that's what we were expecting on the Japanese yen in the nearest future. If you would like to possess yourself with this action, you probably should watch for some retracement on the 4-hour time frame chart. Well, here, guys, you could watch either for last part of this thrust, because it's by itself it's also sufficient for any Napoli patients. You can take a look: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles to the downside, no breaking above the 3x3 moving average, no 3-8 retracement was happen here. So this thrust, this even last part of the thrust is suitable for Napoli patients. That's why if market, for example, will form here a brand body sale or something of that sort, you could watch for these possible patterns, take the position, because dealing with the Napoli directionals will be safer and provides better chances to success. So if you're, for example, dealing with the brand body sell here, you definitely know that with the high probability you will able to move your stop at least to the break even. So will be very good chance to make the nice trade. Or maybe you even could treat this whole thrust as the setup for possible retracement here. But anyway, that will be the two levels to watch. Our first one is here 111.11 approximately. Second is confluence resistance 111.63 area. So two levels to watch for, because market right now stands not at oversold, and right now it is breaking the fib level. So it's already has been tested. That's why in the current situation market should not show too deep retracements, since market already trying to continue a previous trend down. So that was the consolidation, the time of the big retracements. But right now market is trying to continue move down and turn to the trend. That's why on the way down, right to the target, so on the weekly chart, market should not show too significant retracement, because they already have happened right here. That's why we're mostly, and also market, as I said, not at oversold. That's why we mostly will be watching for, if you would like to take the short, these two levels, not this one. This is too far. So it seems that the Japanese yen really is turning from the dead point that it stands within a month. So, and trying to continue move lower. So let's see what we will get here. Tomorrow, guys, if situation will be real interesting, maybe we'll take a look at the Canadian dollar or return back to the euro currency if situation will change there.